Some of the issues that came out in some of the surveys is our brand inconsistency. We have the Insights corporate brand, and then we've got two other sort of sub-learning system brands, and that can be confusing out in the marketplace.
We're taking a service design approach to our brand to problem solve and to really think about some of the issues that we've maybe had with it, to try and tackle some of them, really getting into the nitty-gritty of what our customers need and where we want to go in the future as well. And so we're using service design thinking to get into some of those problems.
Instead of going straight into the mode of trying to resolve the issue, it's taking the time to really assess different areas of the issue and get collective opinions before moving forward too quickly.
It's been really fun, really engaging. It's asked us some difficult questions that we perhaps wouldn't get the opportunity to ask or even answer otherwise. So being able to sit down and actually talk through things is quite useful.
I think it's helped going through the sort of design process, trying to actually define what the issue is. Some of us have got an idea of what we think the problem is, but kind of exploring, doing some interviews, maybe the problem is actually something different to what we thought it was in the first place.
Didn't know much about service design before I came today. I'd heard the term. Katie and the team are making it really accessible to help us understand how to make the most of it, how to use it, and really understand the strengths of doing something like this for the processes and services that we deliver to our customers.
I've really enjoyed just being able to get right into the nitty-gritty and to get into the actual problem space. That's been really, really helpful, just in terms of thinking about the breadth of the problem as well as the specifics of it.
We're only a part way through the day and it's been really useful even so far. So yeah, definitely recommend it.
I would definitely recommend Service Design Academy.
I think it's really useful. It's really good to know that it's being applied kind of consistently as well throughout the country, in different industries and different learning environments. I think it'll be really useful for us, and for the wider country as well.
I would really recommend the Service Design Academy. I think what they've done with us is brilliant. They've taken the problems that we want to explore and then broken them down into kind of some activities and kind of facilitated thinking so that we can actually get to the heart of the problems ourselves and then develop a plan to move forward with that.